Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can follow old Android development tutorials using the new Android Studio. And by all here I mean Android development videos that were released before Android Studio 4.0, and by new Android Studio I mean Android Studio 4.0 moving upwards to 4.1 and the rest. So let us start by starting Android Studio. We will create a new project. We will choose a basic activity or empty, whichever your choice is. Leave everything as it is. My application, the package name will be that way. The language will be Java. Our application has finished building. And now we will delete these fragments so that we only left with the main activity. So we'll start by clicking on the first fragment, then choose delete. You can view the usages, you will see where they are used, but I'll show you. So we delete anyway. We also delete anyway. We will come to the resources folder, go to the layout, then look for fragment first .xml. We delete it. Then for fragment second, we delete it also. We'll also go to the navigations folder. We don't need the navigation graph, so we delete it too. We can also delete the whole folder entirely. So yeah, we will also go to the content main.xml. We'll choose code. We ought to delete this section of code, and kindly note that I am deleting the fragment code, this code only. So this fragment code is a section of code that we also want to delete, and so we'll delete it. And as such, you can now create your Android application using old tutorials and it will run smoothly. So this is what we will do. We will just add a text view that says hello world. We'll drag it here, and we'll put the constraints. Yes, and we will change the text. We'll come here. We will come here to the attributes and look for text here. We will say hello world. We can change the appearance and make it a little bit bold. Yeah, you can now run this application successfully and it will run. Let me start Visor so that we can see the application as it runs. Let us now run the application. So as you can see, the application has run successfully, and if we clicked on this button, it works, as you can see, the snack bar. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly remember to subscribe. and like soon enough I will be doing a video on how to go about using the fragments, so that you'll be able to know how to work with fragments and navigation. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe.